So properties of AP. If a constant is added or subtracted or multiplied or divided all terms of AP, then the resulting series also in AP. If a constant added or subtracted or multiplied or divided by all terms of AP, then the resulting series is also be in AP. Example, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. So this is AP series. So if you taken as one constant 5, so if you add 5 to each term of the AB, 5 plus 5, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, 25. So observe here common difference 3 only. So that's why this is also AP series. If you subtract 5 from each term, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Here also common difference 3 is there. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So this is also AP series. If you multiply with 5, 25, 40, 55, 70, like this. Here common difference is 15. So that's why this is also AP series. If you divide it with 5, 5 by 5, 8 by 5, 11 by 5, 14 by 5, 17 by 5. So this is also AP series. Next property, if the corresponding terms of two APs are added or subtracted, then the resulting series also in AP. If the corresponding terms of two APs are added or subtracted, then the resulting series is also be in AP. If the corresponding terms of two APs are added or subtracted, then the resulting series also in AP. See this example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 even numbers. This is in AP. And 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. This is also AP series. This is multiples of 2. This is multiples of 3. So if you add corresponding terms of two APs, so corresponding term of 4 is 6. Corresponding term of 6 is 9. So if you add 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So here resulting series, here common difference 5 is there, common difference. So resulting series also in AP. So if you add both corresponding terms of 2AP, if a difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So this is also we get natural numbers, common difference 1 is there. So this is also in AP series. Okay, if you taken as 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6, no problem. Okay, so here if the corresponding terms of two APs are added or subtracted, then the resulting series also in AP. If the corresponding terms of two APs are multiplied or divided, then the resulting series is not in AP. Okay, next one, in a finite AP, the sum of the corresponding terms from the beginning and ending is always equal. In a finite AP, the sum of the corresponding terms, the sum of the corresponding terms from the beginning and ending is always equal. In a finite AP, the sum of the corresponding terms from the beginning and ending is always equal. See this example. If you taken as one AP, 2 even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to 100. This is AP series. Here common difference 2 is there. First term is 2. Okay. In a finite AP, sum of corresponding terms from the beginning and ending means this is beginning term, this is ending term. So in previous 98 is there, and next one 96, 98, 90, 100. So we have to add 2 plus 100. 2 plus 100 how much? 102. If you add 4 plus 98, 102. If you add 6 plus 96, 102. So if you add corresponding terms from the beginning and ending, the sum is same only. If you taken as AP series, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, so on, A plus n minus 2 into D, A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. If you add first term and nth term, so T1 plus Tn, that is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So it becomes 2A plus n minus 1 into D. If you add a second term plus Tn minus 1 term, A plus D plus A plus n minus 2 into D. So A plus A 2A plus D n minus 2 into D, n minus 1 into D. So if in a finite AP, the sum of the corresponding terms from beginning and ending, the result is always equal. So 2A plus n minus 1 into D, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Next one, selection of terms in AP. Selection of terms in AP. So in AP, 3 terms, the relation in 3 terms is there. So asking 3 terms taken as A minus D, A plus D. Generally taken as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, like that. So previous term of A is A minus D. So in a problem 3 terms are there. So taken as A minus D, A plus D. If you take like this term, then you get easily solution. 5 terms. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. In a problem 5 terms are there, you taken as A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. This is 5 terms. 3 terms means A minus D, A plus 2D. These are properties of A.